Our chat room is designed to be a trader's tool where we find money for our members each and every day. We have many setups and many different strategies that we use in our live trading chat room. Now here's one example to show you how we find money in the markets each day. This is URI, United Rentals Incorporated, and you can see the intraday shape here, 5-minute candles. That's a pretty good sell-off. This was not even on my watch list that day, which is what I mean by found money, or how we find money, because the scanners just picked this one up. And if you're a day trader like myself, you look at this and your eyes get big and say, hey guys, we might have a possible trade, URI on watch. And compare that or contrast that to this oval up here where you can see there's just nothing going on, right? You don't try to trade this kind of scenario, but it's like fishing or hunting. Right here you have a possible event. And so this is when I put the chat room members on notice that, hey, something's going on in URI. Now the next thing you want to do when you see this is look at a different time frame to see how it looks. So switch to the daily chart here, and URI was hitting support right down here at the $64 area. It was actually below 64, but keep in mind it had fallen a long way on an intraday basis to get there. So that is a great scenario for a possible snapback right at daily support and oversold in the short term on 5-minute candles. Now fast forward 5 more minutes and you see this nice little narrow hammer candle on the biggest volume yet. This is a very good sign of possible capitulation and time. You've got people jumping in short late here, just chasing short, just like you would chase a long. You got people chasing short. You got longs capitulating, and it all happens right at daily support. This was just a perfect setup. I actually didn't even use 5-minute candles for the call. I used 2-minute candles, which gave us such a tight stop. But even here, almost a perfect setup. And then you can see about an hour later, this was the entry, this was the stop. I actually called this with the stop 7 cents below, 7 cents a share below, that never got hit. So if you're a big trader and you took 2,000 shares, you were risking about $140 because the stop was so tight, and you had a possible $2,800 return. On the other side of the spectrum, if you are a 300 share trader, you were risking 21 bucks on this trade with a possible $420 return. We make money in strong markets and weak markets in the chat room by finding long and short setups as they occur and trading in the direction of the market. I would say real quick here that reversal setup certainly isn't all we look for. We have tons of different setups we look for. URI, the intraday reversal, is just one example. Since August 22nd, 2013, when we started offering a money-back guarantee, we've only had one person ask for a refund. And that particular person had taken a day off work to try our chat room. They loved what they saw, but they quickly realized that they needed to be in the room each day to make money, which wasn't an option for them. Now, I would add to that even if you have a full-time job, if you have one of those jobs where you have 1 or 2 weekdays off, even in a month period, the chat room membership still absolutely worth it, because you can jump in on those days, get some trades with us. So don't let the low price fool you. It's a high-quality professional trading room we're running here, where found money is waiting for you every day. Join us at GreatStockPicks.com today.